Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Skype closing automatically in Windows 10. Click Windows Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Background Apps. Turn off Skype. Second method is click Windows Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Click Skype Advanced Options. Click Repair. Click Reset. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.